everyone, it's Arta Mazdreko, the Director of Education for Cuccio Professional for the whole Europe. From now on, I will show you a lot of tutorials, mini tutorials, short or long, on how to use our products, the best ways, multiple ways to use them, and professional ways to use them. Stay tuned and follow our page and subscribe on our channel so you can be up to date with every new thing that we're gonna post.
In this video, I will show you how to use Peel It. First, we start by sanitizing our hands and our client's hands. Then we push the cuticles and we prepare them to clean them, to remove them from the side walls and from the cuticle area. So we have a very clean nail plate where we can work and have a very clean finish of this service. We can either cut the cuticles with a nipper or scissors. Make sure you sanitize all your equipment and be careful on using them with different clients. Don't use the same nipper with two clients. Here we're using prep. It's the step number 1. We apply it on the entire nail plate. It's the dehydrator. This dehydrates the nail plate. This is step 2, the adhesive. We have to be careful when we apply this product. This product is not to touch the skin. We should be very careful not to touch the skin. Both of these products, they are air dry. We don't cure them in the lamp. Make sure to tell your client not to touch their nail plate and leave it there to air dry. Then we'll use Peel It. It's a pre-base product that will help us save and make sure that our nail plate is safe. We use it in 2 ways. For clients who want to change their color very often, we put it in the entire nail plate. And for clients who don't want to change their color very often, but they want them to last, but they don't like the removing of the product with the e-file, then we can use it just in the middle. Here we're applying the gel in a bottle called Gleaming Rose. This shade is called Gleaming Rose. We cure this product 60 seconds. Then apply 2 layers of veneer, Cuccio veneer. A Kiss in Paris is this shade that we're using. We cure both layers for 60 seconds in the LED lamp. We want to be sure that the first layer is very thin and the second layer is the most coverage layer. After curing the second layer for 60 seconds in the LED lamp, we will use the No Cleans top coat and cure it for 60 seconds too in the LED lamp. Here we'll show you how you can remove the entire building of the nail, and you'll see how Peel It left or saved the nail plate from layering. No layer is removed, no chipping or anything. The nail plate looks just like we prepared it before. And here is another example that I used Peel It under hard gels. It's not as easy to remove as with gel polish, but look how the nail plate looks healthy. There is no layering removed and there is no chipping on any sides.
And of course, don't forget to check the website where we have the education classes, the advanced classes, and you can pick the one that is more suitable for you. Thanks for watching.